energy monitor is a device that measures and displays how much electricity your home is using. It can show total power consumption, voltage, current, energy usage in kWh, and sometimes the estimated cost of electricity. Some advanced monitors can identify usage patterns and help you understand which appliances are consuming the most electricity. The most effective use of a home energy monitor is to identify high-energy consuming appliances. By monitoring devices such as air conditioners, refrigerators, water heaters, pumps, washing machines, and electric ovens, you can compare their energy consumption and determine where electricity is being wasted. For example, if an air conditioner is consuming significantly more electricity than expected, you can investigate its temperature setting, filter condition, operating hours, or efficiency.